My name is Celestine Simon Swai. I'm here to represent a group of geoinformaticians from Arith University participating in Resilience Academy Visualization Challenge. We participate in the Visualization Challenge concerning the topic number 1, which is visualization of urban tree, especially in Dar es Salaam. The increase of urbanization tend to decrease of urban greenery or forestry. Thus, due to this challenge that is occurring, we came up with the solution of ensuring more urban trees are going to be planted in urban areas. Beneficiaries that are concerning with these urban trees are urban forestry, municipalities, planning offices in Dar es Salaam. On this visualization challenge, data used were pilot tree mapping that was provided by Resilience Academy, and also road data, flood extent data, there is school points, and also rivers and open areas, and also Landsat 5 images. And the software used were free open software that were QGIS that was used for classification and carrying out suitability analysis, and also Microsoft Excel that was used to draw the charts. On the methods that we used were image classification and also suitability analysis. All these were used for visualization of urban greenery in Dar es Salaam. So the image, Landsat images were used in 1996 and 2009. Were both from Landsat 5 images, both of the same resolutions. On classification, we were able to get 4 classes that was built-ups, bare land, vegetation, and also dense vegetation. This image classification was purposely to produce the land cover maps of Dar es Salaam in 1996 and also 2009. We came up with another methods that was suitability analysis. This suitability analysis was to give a sign or a message to those beneficiaries or on planting or with these trees. So in suitability analysis, highly recommended areas for planting more urban trees were determined based on the following criteria. That criteria that was used are areas that are prone to floods, areas nearby the river, along the roads, and also along the schools and open spaces. The results that we obtained from the image classification was the land cover. The land cover maps of 1996 and also 2009. On analysis of these images, we can see that there is more urbanization. Thus, there is slightly decrease in dense vegetations. That is, as the more activities that are conducted due to urbanization tend to lower these green areas or dense forestry, dense vegetations. So the image of 1996 and the image of 2009 shows a slightly decrease, which is concerning with the greenery, that is dense vegetation, especially forestry, there is decrease. These two images shows a difference. So the decrease in forestry from 1996 to 2009. What about the images that of recently? So we can assess that the image of recent, probably there may be a decrease in especially these green areas. So on the results of pilot tree, so we were able to visualize this piloted tree in open street map data, as you can see, and also on the results of suitability analysis. Suitability analysis that we conducted under those criteria gave us a solution that areas that are subjected to high urbanization, we recommend that there should be a highly planting of the trees, especially, for example, areas in city center that are prone to highly urbanization. Thus, we recommend that a way of replanting these areas so that it can give a greenery of Dar es Salaam. And also, there are areas that are less recommended. This is not less recommended, but because of they are subjected to a dense vegetation and the vegetation cover. So probably there is a less recommendation on these areas. So our reflection based on the climatic condition to conduct a suitability analysis for growing variety of tree species in highly recommended area. So we can conduct a suitability analysis for another species or tree species that we can use to replant in these highly recommended areas, and also to start a planting trees campaign that will be concerning with these highly recommended areas. Thank you.